This tutorial comes in two parts. Part 1 explains how to get direct access to an article. You can then download it as a PDF. Part 2 helps you to use the record of an article to search for more related items. The recommended articles are listed by theme. Each theme is on a separate tab. Click on the tab to select the theme you're interested in. For most articles here, you will see two kinds of links embedded in an article. The first link, for the article title, gets you direct access to the article, where you can then download as a PDF. In most cases, that's all you need. However, for some databases, such as EBSco's Academic Search Complete, the article link gets you only limited access to the article, without the search tools. If you're looking to use an interested article for additional item searching, you can use the database link to open its article record fully to find related items. Clicking on any link will lead you automatically to the window for ID authentication. This is your CUNY login. You should know the username and password to input. Contact the Student Help Desk if you're not sure about this. If everything is fine with your login, you get a view of the article record showing the PDF link. It may be a button somewhere on the screen that says Download, or in this case, a link on the left that says PDF full text. Simply click here. With a PDF, you choose what you would like to do with the file. We will now explain how to use the database link for related items. This part is relevant for select databases only. If you're using Academic Search Complete or another EBSco database, the article link does not provide full access to the article record. You will need to search for the article using the database link. Let's take an example. Here's the first article. Write down the title of the article or copy it. Then click on the database link. If everything is fine with your login, you will enter the search screen for the database. Here is Academic Search Complete. In the search box then, paste the article title or type it in. Click on the search button. As you see, this is the article record. Notice now, different from before, when the view does not provide any links, the sections here have them. The subject term links come in handy when you need to search for more items or sources on related subjects. Click on Factory Farms for additional items in this database about factory farms. You can then search through the results for anything else. You can also use the link for the author if you want to check out the previous works of this author in the database, or the link for the journal that allows you to see other articles in different issues of the same journal. All these links on the article record can help you get more sources. In many EBSco databases, there is also this feature, Find Similar Results, that allows you to see all the other related articles to the one that you've selected. That's it. Depending on what you most need, whether it's the article PDF, use the article link, or full use of related item linking on the article record, which is the database link, it's all up to you. Happy searching!